Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friend. You guys thinking today probably what I'm gonna make it today. So it's a nice day and hot. So I was thinking to make ice cream, homemade ice cream. So I mean, if you make in a home, you know what you're putting in there. It will be fresh, nothing else. So you know, and it will be tasty as well. So why not make a ice cream today? An easy way to make ice cream, so everyone can make it. Will be no problem. So what do you think, guys? Will you make ice cream today? Okay. Before I start, I will tell you what I'm gonna put ingredients in there. Okay. What I'm using is simple. It's condensed milk, double cream, whipping cream, and I'm making two different ice cream. One is mango ice cream, one strawberry. What I did, I blend this mango and strawberry, so it's fresh. And people, they make ice cream with just double cream or whipping cream, but what I'm doing, I'm using this both. Right. So I got 600 double cream, got 800 whipping cream, and I got 600 this milk, and I got some condensed milk, and this mango and strawberry. Okay, friend, this is very easy. And flavor, you can use any flavor, whatever you or any whatever fruit you want. So just grind this piece fruit, and you can use it. And it will be a fresh, nice, you know. And if you buying from outside, you don't know what they're putting in there. And if you make your own ice cream, you know what you're putting there is a fresh everything. It will be good. It will change. Yeah. Okay. Shall we start now? Okay. Okay, friend. I'm gonna put this double cream. And then I'm gonna put this whipping cream. Okay. Okay, friend. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm blend this, right, and we'll get it thicker. Friend, you can see that it's getting thicker. Yeah, you see. So it's take about 15 minutes to become like this. So I need to do some bit more, and then I'm gonna put condensed milk in there. Okay, now it's time to put condensed milk in there. So I'm gonna put this condensed milk. Yeah. We don't need to put sugar in there, yeah, because this one is sweet enough. Okay, now we start again, yeah. Okay, fine. This is ready. So see, should be like this. And now what I'm gonna do, Now I'm gonna put in two separate pan. So one is gonna be mango, one gonna be strawberry. Yeah. So I'm gonna go half. Okay, before we put half mango, about 400 gram. Now I'm gonna put whole mango. This is about 800 gram. Yeah. So ice cream will be very mango taste. Okay. This in there. Okay, our mango is ice cream ready as well. Yeah. So can you see that? Yeah. It's ready. So now I'm gonna let about 5-10 minutes to settle this, and then I'm gonna put in container. Okay. Okay, friend, this is settle this now. Try it. And our ice cream is ready. Right. So I'm just gonna try this mango one. It is so nice. It's got so mangoey taste in there, you know. And when it's settled, you know, I'm gonna put this in container, and then I'm gonna put in freezer, and it will take about 15 hours, yeah, at least. So after that it will be very nice. And I'm gonna try my strawberry. That's nice as well, but my favorite is mango, because I like mango as well. So we're gonna put in the freezer. So see you after 15 hours. Okay. Our friend. So like yesterday, we made this mango and strawberry flavor ice cream. Ice cream is ready. Right, we'll leave it 16 hours in the freezer. So you can use any container, whatever you got. So I'll show you first what it look like, and then I'm gonna take it out in a okay guys, this is mango, okay, and this is the strawberry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out in ice cream glasses. Okay. Okay, friend. This is the strawberry and this mango. So what do you think? And I'm telling you, believe me, it's very delicious. Alright, friend. This weather is very nice. So I'm enjoying my ice cream outside. Okay, so you should enjoy it. Okay, friend. So how you make this ice cream at home? It's very easy. Anyone can make it. So why shall I buy from outside? Yeah. And any flavor you can make them. You can use any fruit whichever you like, your favorite fruit. You just need to blend that and mix it. So I like strawberry and mango, and but it's so delicious. It's got all every fresh fruit taste. It's very nice. We should try as well. Okay, and let me know in comments what you think about it. Thank you.